So this is my iPhone, and the problem is I completely forgot my password. Now, it is stuck in a disabled state, and I literally cannot do anything with it. And this iPad over here, same story, also disabled. So today I am going to show you exactly how to unlock any disabled or locked iOS device using a really handy tool called TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. Stay with me. I will take you through the whole thing step by step. But before we get into it, I want to say something important. Please do not use this method on any device that does not belong to you. Unlocking someone else's phone without their permission is illegal and unethical, and I do not support that in any way. Use this responsibly. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open a web browser on your PC and just search for TunesKit. From the search results, go ahead and open their official website. So this right here is the official TunesKit site, and they actually have a bunch of tools and products, things like iPhone Unlocker, iOS data transfer, and more. But today we are only focusing on iPhone Unlocker. So go to the utility menu and click on iPhone Unlocker. Now, one thing I really like about this tool is that it works for both Mac and Windows, so no matter what laptop you are using, you are covered. You can go ahead and purchase it, and honestly, it is a pretty great deal right now because they are offering 30% off. For just a few dollars, you can unlock your iOS device sitting right at home, no need to visit any store or service center. They have monthly, yearly, and lifetime plans, so just pick whatever works best for you. Once you have purchased and downloaded the tool, go ahead and open it on your PC. And when it opens up, you will see this clean interface. Now, I want to point out that this tool is not just for unlocking disabled devices. It actually does a lot more, like removing MDM profiles, bypassing iCloud, and even unlocking screen time passcodes. Pretty powerful stuff. Okay, so for our case, we are unlocking an iPad lock screen. So click on the Unlock iOS screen option. Then, on the next page, click the Start button. Now here is the part where you need to boot your device into recovery mode. And do not worry if you have never done this before, because the tool actually gives you a complete step-by-step guide for booting any iOS device into recovery mode, whether it is an iPhone, iPad, or even an iPod. Now, in this video, I am working with my iPad, but just so you know, everything I am doing here works exactly the same for iPhones too. So, grab your USB cable, connect your device to your computer, and just follow the guide shown on the tool. Simple as that. So here is how you get into recovery mode. First, press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button, and just keep holding it until you see the recovery mode screen appear. And there we go. My device has successfully booted into recovery mode. Now, let us jump back into the TunesKit tool. Click the back button, and on the next screen, this is where we are going to download the firmware for our device. So first, you want to select your device type, iPhone or iPad. Then, select your specific device name, and after that, just confirm your exact model number. Easy enough, right? You can also choose which iOS version you want to install. I am going with the latest one, which is iOS 26. Once everything looks good, hit the download button and the tool will start downloading the firmware. The best part is, it handles everything automatically, the downloading, the extraction, all of it. You just sit back and wait. Once the firmware is fully downloaded and extracted, you will see a screen that says Firmware downloaded successfully. Now, click the Unlock button. At this point, the tool will show you a quick warning saying that unlocking will erase all your user data. That is completely normal. Just click Yes and let it do its thing. And hey, one important tip here, do not unplug your device while the process is running, and make sure you are using a decent quality USB cable. A cheap cable can sometimes cause issues, so now just give it a few minutes. It is working through the process and removing your passcode. Your device will restart on its own once it is done, and just like that, our device is successfully unlocked, and you can see it is already booting up to the home screen. There we go, fully booted up and ready to use in just a few minutes. Honestly, such a smooth process, and all credit goes to TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. If you want to try it yourself, the download link is right there in the video description below. Grab the deal, unlock your device, and save yourself a trip to the store.